Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a grid background. We'll dive right into creating visually appealing and functional grids for your web projects. Understanding grid backgrounds is fundamental for achieving precise layouts and enhancing user experience. We will explore two effective methods, ensuring you can implement a grid that perfectly suits your design needs. Let's get started and transform your design approach with structured backgrounds. One straightforward way to create a grid background is by using CSS linear gradients. You'll define two separate linear gradients, one for your horizontal lines and another for your vertical lines. Set the background size property to control the spacing between your grid lines. For example, you might use a background size of 20 pixels by 20 pixels. This method offers excellent flexibility for adjusting line colors and thicknesses. Another powerful technique involves using an SVG pattern for your grid background. You can embed a small SVG directly into your CSS background image property. Within the SVG, define a pattern element that draws just one repeating unit of your grid. For instance, you could use two lines to form an L shape, representing a corner of your grid cell. This approach provides precise control over line styles and shapes. Customizing your grid background is key to making it truly yours. Experiment with different line colors, from a soft gray to a vibrant accent, and vary the line thickness for visual interest. You can also adjust the spacing to create a dense or sparse grid, depending on your layout needs. Always test your grid on various screen sizes to ensure it remains visually appealing and functional across all devices.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.